blow, blow. She blow the dust of the book. She blow the dust of the book. B, P. I badly had to pee and I beat her to the upstairs bathroom. I badly had to pee and I beat her to the upstairs bathroom. Iron, iron. I iron my cloth every morning. I iron my cloth every morning. Wink, wink. He winked and said that he understood. He winked and said that he understood. Fall, fall. The snow fall all day in big white flakes. The snow fall all day in big white flakes. Beat, beat. Beat the table with his shoe. Beat the table with his shoe. Sweep, sweep. He sweep the trade of the driveway. He sweep the trade of the driveway. Mop, mop. There was a woman mopping the floor. Brush, brush. She brushed the powder out of her hair. She brushed the powder out of her hair. Yawn, yawn. She yawned and stretched lazily. She yawned and stretched lazily. Rescue, rescue. The lifeboat rescued the sailor from the sinking boat. The lifeboat rescued the sailor from the sinking boat. The lifeboat rescued the sailor from the sinking boat. Lick, lick. He licked the chocolate off his finger. He licked the chocolate off his finger. Chew, chew. He chewed with his mouth open. He chewed with his mouth open. Slap, slap. She slapped him across the face. She slapped him across the face. Collect, collect. They hope to collect over 1,000 signatures on the petition. They hope to collect over 1,000 signatures on the petition. Sink, sink. His strength is slowly sinking. His strength is slowly sinking. Spit, saw him spit on the side wall. She saw him spit on the side wall. Kneel. Kneel. She was kneeling on the floor beside her child. She was kneeling on the floor beside her child. Study. Study. He devoted his life to his study. He devoted his life to his study. Punch. Punch. His speech packed quite a punch. His speech packed quite a punch. Bath. Bath. Take a shower instead of a bath. Take a shower instead of a bath. Buy. Buy. She wants to buy a car, but she cannot afford to. She wants to buy a car, but she cannot afford to. Cook. Cook. I will cook supper tonight. I will cook supper tonight. Ask. Ask. She asked me a question. She asked me a question. Fight. Fight. He got into a fight with a man in the bar. He got into a fight with a man in the bar. Bend. Bend. The road bends to the left after the traffic light. The road bends to the left after the traffic light. Crass. Crass. It's not a good place to cross the road. It's not a good place to cross the road. Shake. Shake. He shook his head at the memory. He shook his head at the memory. Scold. Scold. You should never have done that, she scolded. You should never have done that, she scolded. Burn. Burn. He was badly burned in the accident. He was badly burned in the accident. Decoration. Decoration. The vase has a fancy decoration on one side. The vase has a fancy decoration one side. Feed. Feed. Don't feed the animals. Don't feed the animals. Touch. Touch. He wouldn't let me touch the book. He wouldn't let me touch the book. walk, walk. Takes us half an hour to walk to school. It takes us half an hour to walk to school. Look, look. I had a look at the newspaper. I had a look at the newspaper. Watch, watch. Mom, watch me do a cartwheel. Mom, watch me do a cartwheel. Here, here. I cannot hear very well. I cannot hear very well. See, see. We can see many stars tonight. We can see many stars tonight. Listen, listen. I tried to listen to him carefully. I tried to listen to him carefully. Hide, hide. She hid her face under the collar of his jacket. She hid her face under the collar of his jacket. Dry, dry. His mouth was dry. He needed a drink. His mouth was dry. He needed a drink. Sniff, sniff. He sniffed the flowers. He sniffed the flowers. Drawn, drawn. His illness left him looking very pale and drawn. His illness left him looking very pale and drawn. Awake, awake. Drinking coffee keeps him awake. Drinking coffee keeps him awake. Give, give. I would like to give him a present for his birthday. I would like to give him a present for his birthday. Take, take. She took her things to her room. She took her things to her room. Drive, drive. The car stopped and then drove off. The car stopped and then drove off. Smile, smile. He greeted me with a big smile. He greeted me with a big smile. Help, help. She used to help him with his homework. She used to help him with his homework. Come. Come. Please come here for a minute. Please come here for a minute. Thank you for clicking the video.